Alright, everybody is meeting Tundra for the first time. They're very interested. She's just a little teeny tiny, not bad. Actually, she's doing very, very good. But she is, kind of trying to ignore them. There's so many. She doesn't want them on her. She just had surgery this morning. So she's really doing good, actually. She got the tail up for a little defense, but not bad at all. She hasn't barked. Let's see what she does with the cat. This is the first time she's been out around. Well, that was quick. I guess she doesn't really care about the cat. She's not. Good girl. Good Tundra. Okay, let's go put her away.